Okay, so today, guys, I'm going to be making empanadas. These are the empanada shells. You can buy them at Walmart or Giant, any store. They're layered in plastic, as you see. You're going to need cheese, because it's just going to be chicken and cheese. I'm going to add this in mine because I love ranch. It is ketchup and ranch. So good. So this just makes it to where it doesn't get dry. A lot of people don't use it. Usually I use potato, but today I'm just going to be using chicken that I'm going to bake. You can either boil it or bake it. I'm going to bake it. It's almost ready. You take the pan, take some oil. You have to pour, make sure there's no water in the pan. It doesn't splash back on you. You pour enough oil. That's a good amount of oil to fry your empanadas. I'll be right back at the process once the chicken is done and cooled down. they are done, I'll also put them in here. The oil is extremely hot, so you gotta be careful. Woo. And they cook extremely fast. You have something laid out with paper towels to absorb the oil, because as we do know, oil is extremely unhealthy. Like them really dark, leave them in for extra time, but they don't really taste right if they're too dark. There you go. That's all you have to do. Then you just layer them up. Again, everything else inside is already done. You just need to brown the shell, melt the cheese.